Most people don't have a lead magnet, not because they can't create one, but because they overthink it. They sit there trying to figure it out. What should I make? What should I say? How do I structure it? And because of that, they never build anything. So instead of overthinking it, I built a tool that does it for you. So let me show you. This is called a lead magnet creator. So all you do is answer a few questions. Who do you serve? What problem do they have? Time for their family. So of course the first one I said mother. So we're going to say time for their family. Yes, I'm making this up. What result do they want? Time, freedom. What do you offer? How to get your time back. And then, how do you prefer to help? You either teach, ask questions, or track the progress. So I'm just going to say teach. And then it gives you this. So it says your lead magnet type is a checklist. So a checklist is the fastest way to help mothers take action on time for their family. It's easy to consume and positions your expertise. And so it gives you title ideas and what to include and how to use it. And then you can also download it and get it sent to your email. Okay? Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? So yeah, basically you pick your niche, your audience, the problem you solve, and it generates the idea. So let me know below if you're going to try it out. It is completely free. You just tap on the link and it'll do everything for you. So this is what most people need to understand. You don't need a perfect lead magnet. You need something simple that solves a problem. So the faster you build, the faster you grow. So with this, you can go from idea to finished lead magnet in minutes, okay? And if you like this, you can also, I have a workshop that I completed. It's called Build a Tool in Minutes. And if you, yes, this may have been an example of a checklist, but you can also turn this checklist into something interactive. And I'll show you how to do just that. So if you want to try that and make a tool, and I show you step by step how to do that as well, so that you can gain the leads that you desire, then go ahead and get that workshop below. I have it linked below. Okay. Also, if any of this has helped you or you like this content, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to this channel, and also drop down below what lead magnet you're going to create. So if you've been stuck trying to figure out what to create, like I said, use this tool, build something simple. Simplicity is the win. And so you can start collecting leads today. Like I said, I linked it below, so go ahead and try it, and I'll see you on the next video. Okay, bye.